Data centers are driven by the amount of energy that they consume. It's the biggest operating cost. Everything that you can do to reduce that energy is going to be helpful, reducing your operating costs and increasing your ROI over time.
But the big conversation is sustainability. I've been in the industry now over 20 years, and the heat loads and the heat densities are 100-fold what they were when I first started.
A chiller or UPS needs to be efficient. Then the whole organization around it, where you manufacture, how you manufacture, with what kind of materials do you manufacture, all that plays a role in sustainability.
We choose highly efficient equipment, things like high-efficiency transformers. Our UPSs are extremely high-efficiency devices anyway, and depending on the location, sometimes we like to rely on natural ventilation rather than introducing air conditioning.
For the same amount of megawatts, our footprint is maybe 2/3 of our competitors.